What if every time a new lead comes in, AI agent checks it, qualifies it, and even writes a custom message that you can send to your potential client? Sounds good. I actually built an AI agent that does actually that. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create lead prospecting AI agent with no code in about 10 minutes. Okay, so now let's see this AI agent in action. First of all, this is the document in Google Sheets where I have all my potential leads. We have Tom, company name ABC, job title CEO, company size 12, are you a decision maker in your company? Yes, timestamp 12. And now we are going to start our workflow. Rating qualified, reasoning Tom is a decision maker in a company, size 12 employees. And we need to wait a second for our custom message. And now we get our custom message. Let's see. Okay, now we have our custom message here in a document in Google Sheets. As you can see, agent gets an information about lead, qualifies it, and then if it is qualified, create a custom message. Now let me show you how to do it in about 10 minutes. First, we need a trigger. I use Google Sheets trigger. To get this Google Sheets trigger, all you need to do is click this plus button, add another trigger, find on app event, type Google Sheets, and in Google Sheets on row updated. And you get a note like this. And in this note, you need to choose pull time. I have every minute, but you can have every hour, every day. It depends on how many leads you got. In document, we need to choose right document. My document is leads and sheet 1. Trigger on, row added, and that's it when it comes to our trigger node. Next, we need to get a row in Google Sheets. Resource, sheet within document, operation, get row, document, my leads document, and that's it pretty much. Next, we need a message model to qualify our lead. I'm gonna use Gemini, resource, text, operation, messenger model. I use Gemini 2.5 Flash. And now here we have our prompt. Here's my specific prompt. You can generate a prompt like this easy in ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. It's nothing complicated. Next, we have role model, and I have a second prompt. Here's leads information. I'm just telling my I'm just telling the model what's the information about my lead, just to make sure that everything works fine. Role user, and I also have a simplify output and output connect content as JSON. Next, we want to add edit fields. We want to gather an information, and in reply, we want to have object, and we need to take this, which is output from our message model. You don't need to type $JSON that content. You can just take this and drag in the right field like this. I'm just gonna. Okay, next we have merged. We have merged to combine our information. Mode combine by position, number of inputs 2. And then we want to update row in sheets. So all you need to do is in operation get update row, choose write document and sheet, and next we need to add map each column manually. Column to match on, I choose name, and values to update, I have name, company size, rating, and reasoning. And to be honest, here also you don't need to write the code. All you need to do is, like in company size, just drag in company size right here, just like this. Okay, now we have added fields again. Response. Here we have string, not object, and done. You just need to type done. Mode, manual mapping. Back to canvas. We need to get rows again, because when lead is qualified, we want to generate a message. When lead is not qualified, we don't want to generate a message. It's the same node. Those are the same nodes. We also have operation get row, our leads, document, sheet 1. And then message model, resource text, operation message model. Model, I also use Gemini 2.5 Flash. I have different prompt here to generate a message. And like I said before, you can generate it using ChatGPT or Gemini. Role is model. Next, and the second prompt is also information about leads. But here also I have a rating added. Role user. Simplify output, but I don't want my output content as a JSON in this case. Edit fields, reply string, and we want to take this output from message from model. We want to take this from messenger model. All you need to do, when you have something like this, all you need to do is click here, and here you have text. Drag in right here, and all you need to do is drag in right here. We need to merge it again. Merge, combine position 2, same as here, and update row in sheets. Operation update row, our leads document and sheet 1. Mapping column, map each column manually. Again, a column to match on name. And but in this case we have only outreach. And here you don't need to write this code, just take reply and drag it right here. Okay, and pretty much that's it. Our AI agent is ready. Now let's test it. Let's type an example of a lead, and we'll see how our AI agent reacts. I'm going to click this to activate our AI agent. Our AI agent is active. Now I'm going to go to leads document, and I'm just going to type random name and company. John, CEO, 12 people. Yes, 12. And all we need to do is wait a minute. As you can see, our lead is qualified. The lead is a decision maker in a company, size is 12 employees. And all we need to do is wait a couple more seconds for our custom message. Okay, now we have also our custom message. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video.